Hey guys, my name is Kaushik and welcome back to LetCode. So in this video, we're going to discuss which is the great place to learn the educational content, the tech topics like those. Okay, so I can say like three platforms which are really great. One is of course the YouTube itself, the online courses like Coursera, Udemy, or whatever it is, and finally the training institute. I'm not saying all of them are great. I'm just going to discuss on this three topic. Okay, so first is of course the YouTube is really a great place to learn. Actually, like me personally, I took a lot of I gained a lot of knowledge from YouTube. Like I just watch tons of video, and really like uh, the YouTube algorithm, right? So what you see the more based on the algorithm works, and that is how your YouTube recommendation is. So if you just follow a certain uh, path, it will push you to follow the same. So in my case, like more of content, educational content. Okay, so first point, of course, it's free of cost, but there is also disadvantage of this. I'll talk about that in a moment. And of course it has a like huge library. So if you are going to focus on development, like building a HTML page to hack something, of course you will get the content, uh, wide variety of content like development, testing, performance, like whatever you say, whatever the IT industry requires the skill set, you can learn that from YouTube. And of course the regional content, nowadays it's getting more popular. Like in my case, I have this channel where I mostly teach in English, and also I have a Tamil channel where I teach the same content in Tamil language. Like whatever language, the regional language, like you can learn in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, or whatever is there. Okay, so just you have to search. The regional content are not that great indexed in YouTube, but if you search, definitely you will find a lot of channel. And of course you can follow your favorite creator. For example, if you take any course, let's say playwright, you can find the content in my channel, another channel, or a lot of channels, right? So it's not about the content, it's about the creator, I believe. Like if you like someone, definitely will go and watch their videos. So if you don't like, just you don't have to skip the course, just skip the content creator or the teacher or however you call it, and just go and watch from another channel. That's it, very simple thing. Now talking about the disadvantage, one is the YouTube ads. And like uh, to create a content, of course we are spending time, not only education, like all the other content also. Like YouTube is free of cost for you, but for us it's a kind of source of revenue. So if you are watching ads, that's good for us. But when I take it like personally, if I'm learning and if some irrelevant ads pops in, then definitely that's a kind of off to me. So of course if it's anything is free, means like the ads will kicks in. So that's one point. And another one is the video recommendation. Like if you go to the, if you're watching one video, in the side menu you can see like there will be like plenty of other, like of course you are going to follow the music channel, the coding channel, the movie channel, the stand-up show, whatever, like different channels you are going to follow. So all the contents will be in the site. So sometimes you will be like watching some video and you will just get a sneak peek of another video, and you will just go and follow that video. It's natural, like we all do that. So that is one disadvantage, I can say. And sometimes it's hard to find the another video. For example, if you want to learn a full-fledged course, like you will be in the 50th video, and then the suggestion will be like 70th or 100th video. So sometimes it is hard to find the next video, but I have a solution for that. If you see, most of the content creators in YouTube provide their own community support. First thing, you can go and check the playlist. So if you're going for a particular course, particular video, if you see the description or like somewhere in the channel page you'll find the playlist. So most of the creators do this playlist, and like they have like in order. So if you follow the playlist, that will be really helpful, so you won't mislead to like some random videos. Instead of, you'll follow in the same order. And then like for queries, there will be a lot of support. So some people use Facebook groups, some people use Telegram. I personally use this Discord. uh, if you have any queries, you can ask in the Discord. I will be happy to help. Similarly, other content creators also give a way to communicate with them. Make use of that. And also lastly, the github is a great place. Like whatever the code I used to show in my videos, all the codes will go to my GitHub. So if you have any doubt, you can go and check it from there. Okay, so the next thing is online courses like the Udemy, Coursera, or any other platform. And even some YouTube content creator also have their own website where they publish the paid content. And some people used to take the online classes like personal training, like Zoom course, I mean course in a Zoom call or some kind of call. Those are good, nothing bad about it. But personally, I will not make any paid content. That is how I like to work. It will be always free in YouTube. Okay. And the good part of online courses are they are focused to that particular content. If you take Udemy, like there are a lot of courses, but you are going to get the videos where you are going to enroll. Of course, you have to pay a little amount. Like Udemy courses are actually cheap. Like you can go it from 350 rupees to large number of, based on the course. And there will be no ads, and there is also like inbuilt community support. So if you take Udemy as an example, there will be a comment section where you can contact the instructor and you can get your doubts clarified. Of course, we have the comment section in YouTube as well, but it will take little time. If the channel is big, huge fan following, then definitely replying is something you will get, definitely a reply, but it take time. In my case, I used to reply within 2 hours. Yeah. And of course, like Udemy, like if you have like corporate plans, like in my case, my office provides me the uh, Udemy courses, like where I have like access to any of the courses available on the Udemy, but I don't use that much. But yeah, we have this one. Okay. And disadvantage, I don't think there are a lot of disadvantage. Only things are like some of the courses are really huge money. You can find the same course in YouTube as well for free, but yeah, some people like to pay. Depends on you. And few of the content are not up to date. I have noticed this personally. Like depends on the creator, but still I will say my personal experience. Like when there is a new release from any software, any library or API, it will not be reflected in the Udemy course as soon as the release is there. But if you see in the YouTube, it's like comes in like within a day or two. Okay, so that's one thing I have noted. Now coming back to this training institute, I really wanted to give points on this because like nowadays I'm getting a lot of messages in Instagram from freshers, and I think I should not mislead them. Okay, so first point I want to say, the training institute or so-called tech kid, now they are calling themselves as tech ed. That's their thing. I have no problem with that, but there are also good points in the training institute. Like it is really good for beginners. So me, like I myself personally, I started my Java Selenium journey in a training institute. So when I was in college in 2016, I passed out in 2016. I don't know anything about coding. I don't know how to print hello world in Java. Yeah, that's true actually. So I learned it from a training institute, and then like based on my interest, I started to explore more. But yeah, it's a good place for beginners if you don't know anything and you don't know like where to start. maybe you can approach a training institute. But I think nowadays the online YouTube platform is really great. You have solution for everything. Okay, and since you are going to pay, of course you'll get instant support like WhatsApp support or Telegram support, or you have a dedicated trainer who can support you. Okay, and you will be actually disciplined if you join a training institute, because you will be in the fear of losing money, right? So they have like 1 month or 2 month of duration for a course, and you have to complete by that time. If you skip that, you won't able to enroll into next batch, or you just miss the classes, right? Again, depends on the training institute. I'm saying based on my personal experience. So if you enroll into any course in Udemy, you will be like, where the course is going to be, it's going to be there only, so I can see tomorrow, and it will go on. And if it's YouTube, you don't have to think about it, right? So you'll just skip the notification and you'll watch your favorite stand-up show. So that is how it works. It's normal, like normal thing. Yeah. So if there is a lot of good things, of course it is highly paid as well, right? So you have to bear the cost. Like in Chennai, the place where I live, if you have to learn Selenium and Java, the minimum amount you have to pay is 16,500. It starts with 16,500 and it goes up to like 25,000. But what are the content they are going to provide that is already available in YouTube? I'm not saying particular about my channel, but you can find that or more content in lot of channels. Okay, so that one thing, the cost is really high, but yeah. And the last thing I want to tell about the training institutes, I know few of the training institute which do really well, and there are few of training institute which are really bad. I don't want to name it, but they are really bad. Okay, first of all, they will mislead in the name of certifications, and if they get any freshers, they will just like, you are a fresher, you won't get job, you have to do this course, do that course. See, certification is not bad, but if you are an experienced person, if you have a job, the Selenium certification or the ISTQB certification doesn't really matter. It's all about your experience, what you have learned thing. Certificate might help the freshers, but still I will say, if you're just going for the certification, don't join any of the training institute. Second one is like fake experience letter. They charge you for fake experience letter like 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Like they will give you 2-3 years of experience. Actually, I have a mixed thought on this fake experience letter. I will try to make a separate video on that, because few of my friends who got the fake experience certificate, they have actually joined the job. I'm not recommending, I'm just saying like they have got the job, but I have mixed feeling about it, so I will skip that. And some training institute will assure you that you will get a job if you enroll into this course. I don't think so. So just enrolling a course will not give you any job. You have to spend time on it, you have to learn a lot of things about it, and like there is nothing called assurance in the job industry. Like even if you're fresher or experienced, your job might go anytime, so you just have to be prepared for that. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys. I just thought of making a video to make you understand which is better. So of course we can conclude that YouTube is better and other online courses, but training institute, I have mixed feeling, so you can decide based on this. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon, and do not forget to share your thoughts, suggestions in the comment section. Bye bye.